Hey guys, let's tuck into a little bit of rope tobacco. And that's what's going on at Noah's house. Hello, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the bench. It's still relatively clean, and I've been doing a lot of projects. Talk about them in a second. And since I have you here right at the beginning, like, subscribe, share the video around, share the channel around. I really do appreciate it. And if you do, I'll appreciate it more, and I'll think about you, and I will that you find some McClellan very cheap. How's that sound? Well, hey, welcome back to the channel. I'll do a little bit of tobacco take today. What do I got some little thing there. I don't know. Oh, no, don't want to do that. I liked it where it was at, like that. It's been one hell of a day, guys. I was working, doing some stuff for my in-laws, moving mattresses around. So my back is really killing me. They have the smallest stairway in a little hallway, but me and my wife, we got the new mattress up there for them. They're all good to go. Wait, it is warming up a little bit in Pittsburgh. It was 40 today, or 38 or 35, but it wasn't -9, so that is a bonus. But why are we here? Let's do a tucking in. Let's do a tobacco take. And today, ooh, yes, this is another rope tobacco blend. This will be in the Flakes, Cakes, and Coins series. Yeah, it'll be in that, and I'll throw that in the playlist. Leave a list or link to that playlist right here. We are smoking some Gawith and Hogarth Brown Irish X. Yeah, oh, there's a thumbnail right there. This is another rope tobacco, twist tobacco, and I'm not sure last time I actually popped it out. It's starting to come apart a little bit, and I don't know if that's just kind of what happens, but some of the leaves are coming off, and this is what kind of reminds me of chewing tobacco. But that's it. Look at that. Like I said in the last rope video, I do let this dry a little bit because it is a little bit moist. I just cut some coins and I diced some coins up, and I don't know, it works out pretty good that way. But like I said, I do let it dry. And if you guys have been around my channel for a little while, I do like to have my tobacco kind of dry. Excuse me, let me do a microphone check. Oh, look, check this pause out. Now we're back. That pause button's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to mess around with it. So I am smoking a little bit of brownirishx. And before I did it on the Brown Irish Twist, what am I smoking out of today? This is a beautiful little pot that I got. Do you believe I got this off of eBay, maybe Etsy? And it is from France. It is a something deluxe. And it's a great little smoker. They cleaned up really well. Actually, they cleaned it up for me when I got it. And I don't pull this one out a lot because I have another pot that I usually go to. But I saw this one today, and it's a great smoker. And I figured, hey, let's make a little video. We just going home. We had to unload an old mattress and tie it up and get it out to the curb, and we get trash coming. But that's neither here nor there. Oh, a little bit, the shop's a little bit wonky. I built myself a little shelf I'm going to hang up over there. You guys can't see, but I cut myself some hand-cut dovetails, and I've really been getting into that lately. But hey, while we're here, the tobacco take. Got my book. Oh, the other day I was like, what have I made notes on? I never did a take on. See all these little fellows right there? Those are all blends that I have smoked and made nice notes on and have never made a take of. I didn't count them up, but I probably got 10, 12 there. So we'll have to get down with that. All right. Gawith and Hogarth, brownirishx. And I bought this on 2/7/24. So it has been hanging out in the jar for a while. I was really on with the twist for a while, and I started getting into this blend just a little bit ago. I started smoking it in the beginning of January, and I have had many a bowl of this. So brownirishx. I can't talk. The tin note I was getting a sweet hit at front. It's a really weird when you get your note in that, or I seriously can't talk. When you get your nose in that jar, it goes through a little bit of a journey. Like I said, getting a sweet hit at first, just a little bit of sweetness, and then I was getting a big, big cigar smell. And remember the word cigar for later. I was getting a real earthy smell, a really strong, natural tobacco smell. The cut, it's a twist, it's a rope. So I started smoking this, like I said, at the beginning of January. My first entry says, very cigar forward on the char light. I said I was smoking it out of my Boswell's large billiard. These rope and twist blends, for me anyways, seem to do real well in my bigger, thick-walled pipes. And I can pack up a lot, and that gives me the big flavor change from top to bottom. Now this pot right here, it's pretty thick, not as thick as my Boswell's, but I do believe that that helps, and it really enhances the flavor. It goes down because it holds the heat in. But hey, I said I dried it about 10 minutes. You definitely need 10 minutes. I think I was drying it 15, 20 minutes after that. It's like I said, I like my tobacco to be a little crunchier. I said, this is a strong blend. Definitely has a cigar flavor. Not as smooth as the brown bogey. And that was the other rope blend. And I'll leave a link to brown bogey or a card or whatever you have it right there. I said, it's definitely smoother as it goes down. As it smokes down, all the edges come off of it. Maybe a little bit of roughness, a little bit of jump in there, it smooths out. And about smoking a quarter of the bowl down, everything kind of rounds off for me. I said, it has a nice natural flavor. I was having this with a glass of red wine. Another entry, I said, a great smoke in the evening after dinner. A truly natural flavor. I said, using a smaller bowl size tonight, so far I enjoy it more out of this pipe. Oh, okay. So that just throws in the face what I just said earlier. I'm not really sure what I was smoking it out of. I did not. Blah, blah, blah. I wrote second-hand pipe. What the hell does that mean, second-hand pipe? If anybody knows, comment below, because I don't know. I said, I really liked it after it burns down more a bit. And like I said, with different pipes, it seems that it takes it rounds it off. And I know that sounds weird, but think of like when I'm making a pipe rack and I cut it and all the edges are sharp and crisp, and then you get a file and sandpaper and you round it off. That's kind of how I feel this blend is. It's a little sharp at the top for me, but as you smoke it down, it rounds off, coats your palate. It's very nice. A couple more issues like that. And this one, I was smoking it out of my double stem pipe. I say double stem because I know the stem is split, has 2 holes. I said, I do enjoy the fuller flavor of this blend. Has a great aftertaste. Probably not a blend for the new smoker. And I say this a lot. This is not, it's a pretty strong, it has a nicotine hit, and it is a pretty strong blend flavor-wise. It kind of hits you a little more. Now, if you're coming over to pipes, you like to get into this hobby, and you're a cigar smoker, you may really, really enjoy this because it has a really similar profile to a lot of cigars out there. I said, smoke it slow. It can get bitter, and I did find that with this blend that I didn't find in the brown bogey. This blend, if it heats up a little and you're chugging on it a little too much, to me, it got a little bitter. But I said, if you are or were a cigar smoker, this blend will hit that mark for you. So if you were a cigar smoker and you're coming over, like I said, I'm having a pipe, give this blend a try because I think it's going to be very, very familiar for you. I was a cigar smoker for years. Like I've said before, my dad smoked cigars, and I smoked good premium cigars for years until it just got crazy. But I said, so good as it gets further down. And to me, that's one of the keys with this blend. I didn't enjoy it as much at the top. Like, it was good, and it had a good flavor and everything. But as the bowl smoked down, it rounded off. I keep saying that. But I really enjoyed it. The flavors seemed to go together, and it mellowed. Let me put it that way, as the bowl went down. Oh, and from the bench today, I'm going to give it 3.5 because it is a good blend, and I did enjoy it. But if I didn't have this one around, I wouldn't be too sad. But if it's around and it's easy to get, I'm probably going to like to have a couple ropes in the jar, because sometimes I look there and I think, I want something a little stronger. I want something with a little punch. I want something with a little bit of bite to it. And this is definitely part of the course for that. Now, I did like the brown bogey a little bit more than I liked the brown Irish X. Did I call it twist? I think it's brown Irish X. I think there's a brown Irish twist too, but I looked it up. I got this from the Country Squire, and I did get the brown Irish X. But all in all, it's a very enjoyable blend. Like I said, if you are in the having a smoke that's a little more stout, something that's gonna stand up after dinner with a good glass of whiskey or something like that. All I've had with this is wine. I do I do drink a lot more wine in the winter, it seems, and I am a huge white wine drinker. A glass of Pinot tonight, and having this bowl because my back is hurting from moving mattresses. I took some ibuprofen. I had to fix my ratchet straps, because whoever invented ratchet straps, let me tell you, thank you, they're awesome, but I'm also going to kick you in the nuts if I ever meet you. No, seriously, it got all balled up, and it was a whole thing. Anyways, I got them all figured out. And if you're here at the end of the video, please like, subscribe, share the video around, and watch my shorts. I get some good views on my shorts, and it's always a cool pipe. It's a great blend, and it is some awesome metal rock and roll music. Well, the videos run a little long, past 10 minutes. I wanted to keep them short. So hey, from the bench, I'm Noah. Thanks for stopping by.